What does pain tell you? Our bodies are works of cosmic mastery. Let's start with the head. If you constantly have headaches or migraines or heaviness in the head, your body is giving you the message that you are an extremely critical person. Criticism, whether it is criticism of self or of others, creates a lot of imbalanced energy in the head. Headaches and migraines can also reveal to us that we are invalidating ourselves. We are not giving our intuition and our creativity enough recognition. Let's go down to the neck region, the nape of the neck. When there is pain in the nape of the neck, your body is pointing out that you are being very inflexible. Your body is in fact asking you to listen to another point of view, to change your perceptions. Then we come to our shoulders. If you are experiencing frozen shoulder or pain in the shoulder, or your shoulders feeling heavy and very, very knotted, your body is telling you that you are carrying a lot of weight. It could be emotional weight, mental weight, psychological weight, but it's weight that is not yours to carry alone. Let go of the burden or be open to sharing this burden with others. Then let's come down to our lungs. When there is a lung infection or any kind of problems with the lungs or with breathing, it means that you're holding on to a lot of grief. There could be a lot of anxiety which you are not allowing yourself to share with others. Let's come down to our abdominal area. Digestive disorders, abdominal issues, hernias in this region, all of these point towards acute fear and acute anxiety. There is a deep set insecurity, a deep set feeling of lack of safety. Moving on now to our upper arms and to the elbows. If you are resistant to change, you will get pain, numbness, discomfort in this area. Your elbows might feel very, very stiff and very painful. Once again, your body is telling you that you are being stubborn, that you are being rigid, and it is asking you to open yourself up to change. Then let's come to our hands. If you are having problems with your fingers, with your hands, things like carpal tunnel, what your body is informing you is that there is something within you that you need to let go of. It probably is an old trauma. You have still not released that memory. If you have problems with the hips or the lower back, even if there is something like a sciatic pain, it points out to deep set insecurity. And this deep set insecurity brings up a lot of fear and anxiety, causing the hips and the lower back to be very, very painful. When the knees are painful, when they are stiff, your body is telling you, please let go of your ego. You are being ruled by the ego instead of allowing your inner spirit to guide your life. And then we come to our ankles. If you are feeling very, very guilty about something, if there is a shame in you about something, your ankles are very likely to act up. And from the ankles, we come down to the feet. If there are problems with your feet, if there are problems with the heel, if there is something like plantar fasciitis, if there are problems with your toes, all of this refers to a deep fear of moving forward in your life. You are depending upon a support system in a manner that is unhealthy for you. You have to find your strength and your inner power to strike out on your own. I hope these few pointers have helped you to identify the emotional pain that leads to the physical pain.